Good afternoon, Dave Snyder here. It is the 13th day of April 2014. Just saved this picture and well, I haven't saved it yet. I better save it. Just whatever. And it's pretty interesting pattern there. But you can already see this part right here that I've worked with before, and we're going to put this right over South America and North America all at the same time like this. Oh, come on now. My computer's kind of acting stupid for some reason. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll line it up to whatever this garbage weather that's on Google Earth right now. It's not very good. So just make it easier to align it, and I titled it GH something something something. Where's it at? Okay. Get the West Coast aligned, to get the East Coast aligned somewhat. Somewhere right in there, it looks like. It might be a little too big still. Hold on a second. Yeah, a little bit. There's the West Coast. Oh, stretch it out. Bring it down. That looks good enough. Okay, so turn off the weather. Start bringing up those overlays I got, right? Like the South America one that's still there that I've done already. We'll just check it out over South America. Might need to make a little adjustment to the weather pattern, but I don't think it'll be much. And as we know, the weather patterns move around. So this right here is not aligning with that spot right now. It don't look like. But I see some areas that are, like this area here. This area up here, you can see this spot right here. This is a little bit off. I'm going to adjust it in a second. Just want to look it over first. And then I'll start bringing out some other stuff. Let's see if it goes with it. And that would be the crater. Nah, we'll just do, I think I got China. We'll do China first. It's somewhere up here. Oops. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. I see my computer's not doing too good. Come on, China. Oh, fuck. I hate when this happens. Really pissing me off. Okay. Getting closer. And it's got this hesitation shit. Oh my god. It pisses me off. Here we go. Coming up. Interesting. Look at the Himalayas. See this curve? I'll make a little adjustment to the weather pattern. Just a little one. And there you go. You see this desert right here? Look at the shape of the desert. There it is. And we have our, I mean, it's not, that curve is all over the earth. The Himalayan curve, I should just call it the Himalayan curve. Because it's, or the Australian curve or whatever. You know, it's, there it is right there. See that, how that fits. This, I just showed you, this is already in place. Everything's already in place. So now it's adjusted to at least Asia, China, whatever you want to call it. placing the Rocky Mountains or Colorado right there where the desert is. See that? Same. They have the same pattern. They share the same exact pattern, showing that they were at least created in the same exact spot on the Earth, or they were created together in the same spot on the Earth. One of the two. There's something. Maybe there's other options, but not many. Got to be part right. Okay, so there's one. I'm gonna label that. I'll do it later. I'll just leave it on. Label it later. Okay, now this should fit South America a little better. There you go. Not bad. See this little V right here? See that V in the weather? And then look at South America. That's this V right here. A couple spots are off there though. See this right here? See that spot in the weather? You see that right? Falls right in place with that. And then you can bring up, let's see what else. I'll bring up the crater. Look at the whole east coast right there, and then look at South America's east coast. Interesting. The Gulf of Mexico. Wow. Of course, you got everything sweeping this way. Mexico sweeps this way. South America's southern tip sweeps that way. All from something that made it do that. I don't know what it was, but I'm sure it has something to do with the moon. Okay, so the crater. Now let's just bring up the crater. I think it's up higher a bit, right here. Look at that. See this little area right here? It fits right in there. Watch. I mean, not real clear, but yeah, that's pretty clear. Okay, and then I'll bring up the other one. This one's not going to show much, is it? Yeah, that shows something too, see? Not as good as the other one, though. This one here is the one. Okay, so there's that with the weather pattern. That little spot there, kind of see something right there. But you definitely see the outline shape of it. There's a big dark hole right here. You see something right there for sure, where that big dark blue area is there in the weather. And it goes together, whether you can see that or not. You need to try it if you don't think it does. Okay? And I know it's not aligned to North America properly right now because I aligned it to Asia. So, you know, it's hard to get everything perfect on this, but because things moved around so much. But you've seen how China fits in there. There's got to be something else. Like Schrodinger. I'll bring up Schrodinger. See how that goes. I think it's going to be a little bit off from. I think this is moved over to the. Needs to move over a little bit. Actually, I can see like this area here fitting pretty good. Anyways, it all goes there. Let's check this spot. This would be a distinctive area there. Right here, maybe? Okay, let's see what else we got. Look at this spot right here. Look at this line right here. Crater right there. And this curve is partially there. These are all really good alignments of these. Building it right off North America. They say North America is the base continent, so I'm building it there. I should actually be building it in the Pacific right here where it all happens. I'm pretty sure, but it's just it just started to come together here, so I just did it like this. Get that other picture of Mo. Not that hide in that area. Looks like. Anyways, just want to point that out. That weather pattern. It definitely, I mean, any given time, like I said, any given time, once you get things set in place, you just bring things up, you know, like the weather pattern right there. Oh, gotta answer the phone. All right, that's it. Have a great day.